Guys, don't let the creeper blow up Lego Bridge. I need this to get to Lego City. Cool. Creepers don't damage anything in water. Haha, creeper. Hey guys, I just wanted to tell you that I completed the other Lego set from the Lego Gallery. If you want to see it. I got root beer. I'm drinking root beer. So, you're gonna see it soon. And by soon, I mean now. You like it? Yeah, I'll even show you. You see those little pillars? Here. Well, they're not big in Lego City, but they're big for Legos. See? And between that, there's doors. There's some stuff in there, but the camera can't fit in there. If it could, it would be a really tiny camera. The second floor, remember this door that you can't open? You can open it, but it just doesn't go very far because the thing's in the way. And wait a second. Hang on a sec. That's probably a good thing that they can't open the door, because if they did go out there, they'd probably just fall right through. Okay, floor 3. Just windows. I'll show you the back of it later. But that's all there is to floor 3. Look at it. Floor 4. The clock. And there's a year, 1891. I don't know what that's supposed to mean, but I don't know why they put a year on there. And it's just a really cool building. It's, I think this the 4th biggest building we have. That's the 1st. That's the 2nd, and that's the 3rd. This is, if those are top 3, then this one has to be 4th. Because it's pretty big. Now I'm going to show you the back of it. Floor number 1. Just, hey, I didn't, oh, that's nice. It's nice. The door. I didn't even notice that. And that's, what does that do? Oh, whatever. And I really don't know what this, can't see it. Sorry, I'm looking at the Lego set and not really the camera, so I can't focus on where the camera is. Sorry about that. And the camera can't fit in the Lego, just like I said last time. It'd be awesome if it could. Oh, and there's an elevator. Again, sorry that I can't focus on the camera. Here. Whoa, it's stuck. Ah! Okay. And, whoa. That's really weird. I didn't even notice it did that. Yeah. Can't really, you can see it a little bit, not all the way. And the top, you probably didn't notice. You might have noticed this from the other side, but it's easier to notice now. this glass and this. Now there is one piece I couldn't find, so I just decided to skip it. I can't notice it, but it's right above where my finger is. Okay, so that is the new building. I didn't show you the backs of the other ones because one, some of them were too big, and two, I really didn't have enough time because my camera can't record for that long. It can only record for about 8 minutes or something, then it just says video is too long, cannot be posted, or whatever. I don't know. So before the video ends, I want to tell you that the Don't Step in Lava series is, well, we haven't done an episode in a long time because Sebastian hasn't come over in a long time. So I want you to know that it's going to be coming soon, and we'll probably be back with a special. And if he comes over next weekend, today's Sunday, so he's probably going to come over next weekend. I have 5 days of school. I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Unless we get a snow day, I'll have 5 days. We got 3 snow days last week. Yeah, we're going to be back probably with a special. But if not, we'll try our best to do a special. But I don't know how many episodes we're going to have. Probably a lot. You want to see the Lego building one last time before I pause the video? End the video. Look. I can't zoom in. I want to zoom in. Whatever. Just get closer to it. Look at it. So, tell me in the comments if you liked that building. We just finished that building. So, hey, there's really nothing else that I wanted to show you guys. So, thanks for watching.